Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the rear differential fluid on BMW X5 E70. The rear differential is located right there, and there's only one plug for the drain and filling. It's right there. We're going to remove it, and we're going to drain the oil first. Since there is only one hole for draining and filling, that means that the filler hole is a bit higher than the oil. So in order to drain the oil, we need to suck it with a pump. So now we'll remove the plug and I'll show you what kind of pump I'm using to suck the oil out of the rear differential. This is the pump that I'm using to suck the oil out of the differential. I'm putting the top hose inside the differential and the bottom hose somewhere in the bottle. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. When you put the hose inside the differential, make sure the hose is pointing down. It's pointing somewhere like to the bottom of the differential so that it can suck the oil, it can reach the oil. You might want to get somebody to help you to hold the hose if needed. And now I'm going to start sucking the oil with the pump. Now I'll get somebody to help me to hold the hose so that he can move it a little bit so that I can make sure that all the oil in the differential is sucked out. By moving the hose around, if there is no more fluid coming out, that means all the fluid is drained. So now we can remove the pump and start filling the differential. This is the amount of fluid that we've drained from the differential, about almost a liter. So now we're going to put about a liter in there. This is the pump that I'm using to fill the differential with. I'm putting the hose into the filler hole and pump into the bottle, and when the differential is at maximum level, it will start flowing from the hole. This is the oil that I'm using to fill the rear differential. It's BMW synthetic 75W90, and the filling capacity is about 0.8 to 1 liters. But like I said, when the oil is at the maximum level, it will start flowing from the hole, and then we can put the filler plug back on. So now we'll start pumping the oil in and wait for it to start flowing from the hole. We can see the oil started flowing from the hose, so now we're going to remove the hose and put the filler plug on and tighten it. And afterwards we're done with replacing the rear differential fluid. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.